how has AI kind of completely changed your company over the last few years?
Yeah, so we raised our seed round in 2020, and I would love to have like that deck to show you, but in that deck we had this thing where we believe that in the future there'll be a company that combines data, engagement, and intelligence to build like the future of AI sales assistants. And at the time, we called it machine learning, natural language processing, feature extraction, sentiment analysis. But ever since the very beginning of Amplemarket, we always had machine learning models built by ourselves, very different, right? Very specific to like specific problems that we wanted to solve. But we've always had like our natural language processing models running in production since we launched. That was kind of like one of our differentiating factors when we first went to market. Again, we're a sales platform that is actually already using machine learning to help you, at least on the data side, understand what's working and what's not, helping coach your reps towards like the best next steps, but nothing like it is possible today, right? But again, our from our very inception, we believe that like in the future, like AI would actually make all of these like really interesting like workflows possible, and we believed, our core belief was that was only possible on top of like a consolidated all-in-one sales platform. It's like I live in San Francisco. I don't know if like people listening have been here or like they have like experienced the self-driving cars, but it's right. So I use Waymos all the time. Now we have like on the streets we have Zooks, which is kind of like a very strange car. There's no steering wheel. You're just like everybody sitting inside that car is actually facing each other. It's kind of like it's really a peek into the future of like self-driving and the AI really in that realm. And the reason why I'm mentioning these is kind of like to build these things, you need to build a car from the ground up. Like the cameras, the lidars, the radars, all of these things are fully integrated, like into an all-in-one car, if you know what I mean. And then like the AI system, you switch it on and you make it better over time, and you have these over-the-air updates. And at Amplemarket, we always believe that. Now, in 2022, when like really chat-gpt starts becoming all of the rage, and 3.5 and 4.0 like come out and really changed the game a lot. Like we just started like embedding a bunch of like these models into the product, and we really think about applying AI in a way that is almost doesn't require a lot of user input. So our take is to empower the sales rep via a platform that is using so much like intelligent stuff in the background that they never really understand there's like all of that going on. And I can tell you what that means. So it means that, like, for example, we have AI researchers, we have AI sequencers, we have AI copywriters, right? So all of these are little agents that like every 24 hours, they research all of your books of business, your CRM, publicly available data, and help you understand what's really important that is happening across like your potential accounts and your potential buyers. And so that's a model that was only possible when GPT models came out. It's like, okay, cool, look, now we can actually do this and parse a lot of information here, give it a lot of unstructured data, and help like the AI kind of help us score and really prioritize accounts. Another one is kind of like a sequencer. Now, like you go from that signal, that person, that individual, that company, and then you with GPT, it was possible now to say, oh, this person is very active on LinkedIn. So maybe I want to do a social selling sequence only. I don't want to go into like an email step, right? So now you have like AIs being able to ingest like the signal for a person, the data about a company and a person, and then feed it into like a sequence that is truly bespoke. So it's possible today to do things that are really truly unique to a company, to an individual, and to a signal that happens. And that shaped the product very much.